How's it going, viewers? This is a video on how to remove this Delta adapter, your half-inch copper pipe that's coming out of your shower. Now, depending on your shower spout, you might have something that uses this style with the O-ring and the adapter. Wait a minute, this one right here. So this guy right here attaches directly on to that half-inch copper, and then there's a little bit of a set screw on the bottom there, and there's an O-ring on the inside. So you do not need this adapter. Continue watching to find out how to remove this guy. So just go ahead and go to your Home Depot or Lowe's, pick up a bottle of this here. This is propane. There is no need to get nap gas. This will be plenty hot. And I'll go ahead and insert a link for this guy right here. This is the handle and spout for the propane with the built-in igniter. Really cool stuff.